Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima. If you guys have a Kia Optima, you need to remove or replace front ABS sensor on Kia Optima. Stay with us, we'll explain guys how to do that, everything from start to finish. Also, we'll talk about how you can even test ABS sensors on Kia Optima. All that will be covered in this video. So let's start on it now. So, if you guys have a Kia Optima generation 2010 to 2015, that video should be helpful. It may be even helpful on the later generation because some things are interchangeable. Let me introduce you to the channel quick. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. In addition, guys, all we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your Kia Optima, we'll also share the link in the description of the video below where you can buy tools and parts for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our supplies from. Another thing, if you guys want to see our main YouTube channel, Auto Repair guys, you can find quite helpful information for vehicles that can save you thousands of dollars guys, and we're approaching 400,000 subscribers, so we have videos that can save you quite a bit of money. So we're on the front left side, driver side guys. Okay, the passenger side will be almost identical. You need to jack the vehicle up, remove the wheel. That's pretty easy, most of you can do that. When you come that way guys, okay, right here on the hub, that's where the ABS sensor is located. You have that cable that goes all the way around the strut. You will have multiple strut mounts, 2 of them probably, and you will need to guys, okay, disconnect it, okay, from the strut. So that's what we are doing now. We have one bolt on the back side that we need to remove. Okay, we are almost getting there. Perfect, one is out. Now we have one more guys, okay, that we need to disconnect. This is again with a 12mm socket. It's this one right here. So let's go ahead, do that too. Perfect. After that guys, we have one clip here that we need to disconnect. You can just squeeze those things together with pliers or with hands and you can push it out. Okay, check it out. Perfect. Now you follow the wire and there is another mount right here that you need to remove as well. So 3 mounts that we need to remove. After that, you have your fender liner, you have a couple clips underneath, 2 clips that you need to disconnect. You will need to disconnect that clip here as well. Perfect. You unscrew the middle part and pull the whole clip out. And if you come on this side now, okay, you're going to notice, okay, that you have your ABS sensor connector, okay, right here, which you press down here. Check it out now. Okay, let me see. You may have dust and dirt stuck in there guys, so it may not be as easy to remove as we make it sound sometimes. So let me see if we can get it loose. Okay, perfect. Now here we have a clip, okay, where it attaches, or we will try to see with a small screwdriver. I think we can push it out of the clip, okay, so we don't need to break it. So we weren't able to release it. We went underneath that clip right there, okay, with the prying tool, and let's see if we can get it out. Yep, that clip came out guys. Okay, right here. So here it's supposed to come out, but it's a wall of dust that prevents it from coming out guys. So if you spray penetrating oil, it will come now. What do you need to do next? Okay, right here, the ABS wheel speed sensor, you will have to apply penetrating spray, and you need to spray on top right here and around it so it can penetrate inside. We recommend to even do that before you start. Let it work, because it will be really rusty there guys, and you have brake dust, all kind of stuff that will prevent it from coming out. So 10mm socket, we need to remove that, okay, bolt now. Perfect. Okay, right here. Let's see what else we need to do. You grab the screwdriver and gently, guys, gently come on each side a little bit. Don't lift too much because you will crack it and you may break it inside. So a little bit on this side, a little bit on the other side. Just move it around. You might need to spread a little bit more, and oh, it suddenly came loose like that, and you can see it came out. You can see the penetrating spray, how much it accessed on the inside, so that made it come out really easy. We've seen some that are so stuck you have hard time removing them, and it's recommended to clean the hole a little bit when you install the new one. So that's it, guys. That's how you remove it. If you want to see how to test ABS sensor on Kia, we have the video on the channel. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.